Look at this. Rain, rain, rain. Can't do a darn thing. Can't do any work at all. I've got my tomatoes. I've got my lettuce ready to plant. It's just rain, rain. Look at this. And that's 8-9 inches of water. That's how much rain we've had. These poor old buggers been flooded so many times. I've had to bail some water out so I could feed them. Well, there's my original. That's the inlet, and it just flows down, 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 and down, and down. It's raining again. Rain, rain, rain. For Canberra, it's so unusual. Tomatoes, I'll just take this huge strawberry. My strawberries down here. There's other strawberry beds. They'll all, well, a lot of these will be going into my grow beds, which I can't do the plumbing for because of the rain. It's annoying. I've still got lots of things to do. There's a drain pipe will be there, the siphon, and of course here's the big mother, 1200 litres, and I still haven't plugged down the bottom yet because it'll be nearly full by now for the rain we've had. Yeah, so there's our backyard. There's my pile of clay beads, clay pebbles to go into the grow beds with these fellas once they're plumbed up. Maybe on the weekend. Well, that's tomorrow. I said rain all weekend. Let's see, here's a strawberry. I might eat that fella. Yummy. That's the tour. Here's a mess of tools and equipment and gear. There's my worm farm. Yeah, all the stuff ready to go, nothing to do. That's the tour of my aquaponics.